Hey YouTube, it's Raz Kid, and I'm here to show you guys multiple ways to play Xbox on your Oculus or your MetaQuest or whatever you want to call this thing. Alright, so there's like 100 ways, right? No, realistically, there's 3 ways, at least as far as I know. I currently have the Edge Android application open and the Xbox beta application open, and we have one more application open on the computer. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. You already know what it is. This is what we're going to do here. So first and foremost, we're going to definition this a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Get this going like this. All right, first things first, we're going to open up the Xbox beta app here. I'm going to open it up large screen. So if you have not already installed the Xbox beta app, first and foremost, if you don't even know how to install Android applications, you need to go to my previous video and watch how to install Android applications, then come back to this video, and then once you're in here, go to APK Pure and search up Xbox beta. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Xbox APK Pure, we'll put this right here. We'll open back the Xbox beta app right there. All right, back to here. Let's see, Xbox beta, go right there, and we got it right there. So download, open it. Once you open it, you're gonna have this. We need the Xbox controller here. Oh, it's on the bed. Aliens, hold on. All right, aliens, we are back, and we have the controller on deck and on Bose. So we're just gonna open up the Xbox beta application again here. The volume's correct. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to turn on the Xbox controller here. As you can see, I have it on. I have it here. It's searching for it. Let's check in the settings here. I keep pulling up the game here thinking that let's see, Bluetooth. All right, Xbox wireless controller is already there. All right, so that means it's connected already. All right, so now we're just going to clock it in by holding the middle button in there. All right, I'm controlling the Xbox controller or the app on here with this. So now let's jump into, I don't know, let's see, Starfield. Let's run Starfield on launch on console. Oh, this is the wrong freakily, I forgot. Okay, so this is how you run the whole console. Should I make another video remote play on this device? All right, let's do it. All right, so this should turn on my whole console remotely, obviously. This should run remotely, so we should be able to run every game on here. Xbox controller is still linked in. I just heard the Xbox turn on here. Xbox is on here, as you can see. We are full fleshed in, baby. I am wireless. I am on, this is flawless right here. Y'all know me. MK life, yes, why not, right? Why not? Remotely MK1 on here, sure. So this is one way, aliens. New opponent, this is one way you could do it. My Xbox is not on right now, as you can see, and we are on here. You can press the menu button. I am Raz Kid is playing remotely on the VR right now, on the VR. I'm sure if Tremor's on here now. That's crazy. I missed a lot. Let's do some online. I missed it, dog. So this is one way. There's multiple ways actually. I kind of want to do one match first, aliens, before we go on here. I want to get this dub. So while this is loading up, so basically you can go to the xbox.com here. Xbox game beta is basically the same thing as this, but as you can see, this is a little bit more better, and you can even make this a little bit bigger, so you can make this even larger if you like to. Yeah, and then another way is just natively through your Elgato, which I'm gonna show you that as well here. People, why are they scared for it, bro? Don't be scared, bro. If he declined, I'm just getting off, bro. People are scary, bro. Not ready. He's sick, bro. He already know I'm about to win. He accepted. Never mind. Okay. Say less. Am I gonna be able to get this dub on the VR? I would do that. Such a character, dog. Dang, you took way too long to choose that Baraka, man. I'm gonna let you know right now. That man took way too long, brother. Remote play just it sparks my interest every single time, man. Y'all see this, bro?
How could I forget?
This is crazy. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on, man. Dang, bro. Alright, hold on, bro. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got him. Okay. Okay. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hold on. Hold on. Dog, y'all see this guy? Shut up, bro. Dog, look at him. He's playing so safe right now. Idiot. I'm not doing that, bro. Why did I get on here if he was gonna do that? Why would I get on here if he was just gonna do that, aliens? Anyway, bro. All right, I'm done this game. I'm done. This is why I don't game. All right, aliens. You already know what it is, man. That is how you get on here on the actual application on the Android app. So now that I relax and calm down, now we can try the other method. So, well, let me just make sure that I X out of this, because I ain't gonna lie, if you do not X out of Xbox game or the remote thing, it's gonna act stupid, bro. Excuse me. And trust me, I don't got time for that. I really don't. We'll X out of this, move this over here, open this up. Let's see what this does for us. We'll open up a little bit wider. Let me see. On. Let's see here. Open this up a little bit wider. Oh, right. So let's click Starfield here. I think you can control it with the actual, you can actually control it with the controller as well, which is dope. Let's try Starfield now. All right, so here's another way, yet again, aliens, and you can also make the screen big again. As you can see, we are about to get on Starfield. So we were on MK and now we're on Starfield. Lots of people are playing. Wait time is about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, we could literally get back on the other app and get on Starfield right now. So this is another way to do so, but as you can see, I wonder if it's just this game. What if I go back? I know there ain't nobody on Pac-Man. Is anybody on Pac-Man? There ain't no way. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way. Yeah, at this point, you should go the first method. The first, almost there, 2 minutes to your game. Yeah. As you can see, this is another way how it works. I'm not waiting for that. Do I look like Goliath? Okay. Do I look like Gumby?